Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I dive into Guardian Dental and Vision app review in order to check if it's worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Guardian Dental and Vision app is built for members who want quick access to their insurance information, no paperwork, no hunting through emails. You can pull up your digital ID card, review coverage details, track claims, check remaining benefit, and easily search for in-network dentist or eye care provider, which help you provide surprise cost. It's clean, convenient, and great for anyone who prefer managing benefits from their phone instead of desktop portal. That said, the experience isn't perfect. Some user report login glitches, account verification issue, or slower loading depending on the device. And outside the basic benefit management, it doesn't offer many extra features or cost estimator tools. So in my opinion, if you already have the Guardian Dental or Vision insurance, the app is definitely worth using for quick access and provider lockup. But it is not essential, and the web version may still work better for some users. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more reviews.